I was very worried about being able to afford college and going into debt after college, especially since I plan on pursuing grad school after. So when coming into undergrad, I knew that I needed to apply to scholarships. When I was approached about first becoming a Thompson Scholar, I was very excited, not only to be able to receive scholarship money for the efforts that I put into my community, but also to be able to connect with people inside the university who are also Thompson Scholars. As a Thompson Scholar, I am required to take 30 credits per academic year. I am also required to commit myself to 20 hours of community service throughout the academic year, and community service is something that I have always participated in. It's something I have always found to be self-fulfilling. My passions usually lie in social justice and often homelessness and poverty-stricken people, so I have been able to commit well over 60 hours of community service to those specific issues, which I've found to be very self-fulfilling. If I could speak to the Thompson family, first I would say thank you. You have no idea what you have done for me and for my family. Pursuing a career with a college degree has always been very important to me. The Thompson Scholarship itself is the reason that I can attend this school, so I'm really grateful for the opportunity that was presented to me.